teach you the dance Freedom Was a Highway by Jimmie and Brad Paisley. All right, this is a 32 count 4-wall dance with a clockwise rotation. It's an improver. All the steps are pretty easy, but the counts are a little challenging if you're still fairly new. All right, let's get started. You're going to start with your weight on the left foot. You're going to walk forward, right, left, rock, right, recover, step back, 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 coaster, cross. Right. Again, walk, walk, rock, step, back, 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 coaster, cross. That coaster's on the left. All right, so 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. The next set of 8 starts with a side rock cross or scissor step. So side rock cross on the right, side rock cross on the left. Now we're going to do a wizard step to the front and then a wizard step quarter turn to the side to 9 o'clock. All right, so the count on a wizard is 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. All right, so in this case, it's your 5, 6, and 7, 8, and. So let's try that. 5, 6, and 7, 8, and. Weight ends up on the left foot. You're facing 9 o'clock. All right, so let's put that second set of 8 together. Scissor cross, wizard front, quarter, wizard side. Quarter mean corner, quarter turn. All right, let's try it again from the top. Ready? Walk, walk, rock, recover, back, back, coaster, cross. Side rock, cross, wizard, quarter, wizard. All right, that's half the dance. Now we're going to step out with our right, pivot a half turn, and do a lock step, right, left, right. Step out again with the left, pivot a half turn to 9 o'clock, and walk left, right. All right, so the count on that, you're back on the left foot. You step out, 1, pivot 2, lock step, 3 and 4, step out left, 5, pivot a half, 6, step forward left, 7, 8 with the right. All right, let's do that one more time. Ready? Pivot half, lock step, step out, pivot half, walk, walk. All right, let's try it again from the top. Ready? Weights on the left. Walk, walk, rock, and back, 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 coaster, cross. Side rock, cross, wizard, quarter wizard, pivot half, lock step, step out, pivot half, walk, walk. All right, we're going to end the dance, the last 8 counts. We're going to do this little cross step with the left, step back with the right, and step. Cross step with the right over the left, step back on the left, out with the right. All right, so it's cross step, step, cross step, step. Now the count on this is 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. Okay, let's try that again. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. Okay, I told you the counts on this are a little more challenging, but it does flow well with the music. So when you're done listening to me, pay attention to the beat of the music, and that really helps. All right, so 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. So your weight should now be on your right foot again. So we're going to step out with our left and pivot a half to our right. At 3 o'clock, you're going to step, step, step. Okay, so you're going to pivot, turn, step, step, step. So the steps sheet, I think, says run, run, run. All right, so the count on that is 1, 2, 3, 4, and. Actually, it's the end of the 8 count. So let's do the whole thing. Ready? 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and. See, it's a little different, but it does flow well with the music. All right, let's try the whole dance from the top. Ready? Weights on your left. You're going to start with that walk forward. Walk, walk, rock, and back, 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 coaster, cross, side rock, cross, wizard, quarter turn, wizard, pivot, half, lock, step, step out, pivot, half, walk, walk, cross, step, step, cross, step, step, step out, pivot, half, walk, walk, walk. All right, I'm going to go around to some of the other walls and I will show you the restarts. All right, they're not that hard. So we're going to start with walk, walk, rock and back, 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 coaster, cross, side rock, cross, wizard, quarter turn, wizard, pivot, half, lock, step, pivot, walk, walk, cross, step, step, pivot, turn, walk, walk, walk. All right, right here, we're at 6 o'clock and we have a restart on this wall. This is the third wall and it happens after the wizard steps. So we're going to do the first set of wizards and then not do the quarter turn. We're just going to do wizard steps to this back wall. Walk, walk, rock and back, 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 coaster, cross, with side rock, cross, wizard, wizard to the back, restart, walk, walk, rock and back, 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 coaster, cross, side rock, cross, wizard, now your quarter turn, wizard, pivot, lock, step, pivot, walk, walk, cross, step, step, pivot, turn, walk, 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 rock and back, 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 coaster, cross, side rock, cross, wizard, quarter, wizard, pivot, turn, lock, step, pivot, turn, walk, walk, cross, step, step, pivot, turn, walk, walk, walk. All right, so we're back to 12 o'clock. So the first restart is on wall 3. The second restart is on wall 7, which I believe is back over here at 3 o'clock. So we're going to walk, walk, rock and back, 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 coaster, cross, side rock, cross, then wizard forward, without that quarter turn, and then we restart the dance from the beginning of the pattern. All right, I hope this helps, and check out the demo. I cue it when you can't see me, so hopefully that helps. All right, have a great day. All right, here's the demo. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk, walk, rock and back, 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 coaster, cross, side rock, cross, wizard, quarter turn, wizard, pivot, half, lock, step, pivot, walk, walk, step, 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 cross, step, step, pivot, walk, 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 rock and back, 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 coaster, cross, side rock, crosses, wizard, quarter, wizard, pivot, half, lock, step, pivot, walk, walk, cross, step, step, pivot, walk, 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 rock, recover, back, back, coaster, side rock, crosses. This is the restart wall. Wizard forward, restart. Back, back, coaster, cross, side rock, cross. Wizard, quarter, wizard, pivot, lock, step, pivot, walk, walk, cross, step, step, pivot, walk, 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 rock and back, 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 coaster, side rock, wizard, wizard to the back, pivot, lock step, pivot, walk, walk, cross step, step, cross step, step, pivot, walk, 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 walk. Quarter wizard, pivot, lock step, pivot, walk, walk, cross step, step. Here's the restart wall. Wizard, wizard, forward, restart. Walk, walk, walk and back, 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 coaster, cross. Wizard, wizard to the front, pivot, lock step, pivot, walk, walk, cross step, step. Pivot, walk, 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 rock and back, 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 coaster, cross. Side rock cross, wizard, quarter, wizard, pivot, lock step, pivot, walk, 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 cross step, step, pivot, walk, 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 rock and back, 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 coaster, cross, side rocks, wizard, quarter, wizard, pivot, lock step, pivot, walk, walk, cross step, step, pivot, walk, 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 rock and back,